Hi, my name is Rick Nelson. I'm the technical trainer here at Norton, and today we'll talk about mounting some fiber discs on a right angle grinder. Fiber discs come in two different styles. The first one I'll show you is the standard. So you want to push the button in to lock the spindle on the right angle grinder. The first piece that we'll put on is the backup pad. So the backup pad has the same thread as the right angle grinder. So you want to manually twist that on and just put it snug so it stays in place. You want to take your fiber disc, and in order to put it on the grinder you need the retaining nut, so just put that in. Push the button in again to lock the spindle and twist it in. And then use your retaining nut wrench to finish tightening it the rest of the way. The second fiber disc we'll be mounting is the speed change, and this one you don't need the retaining nut because it has the built-in speed change fastener. So when doing so, you need a special backup pad. The Norton standard disc has a hub on the back of it, or nose, where the other one has a no-nose hub. So this one mounts pretty much the same way. Push the button in to lock the spindle. Manually screw the backup pad on, snug it up. So with the no-nose feature, the spindle sticks out a little bit further. So when you take the speed change fastener and put it on, you don't need any tools whatsoever. You just spin it on and you're ready to go.